Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to our channel Learn Quran. We have started this channel for all of those people who suffer in reading Quran and as per tajweed. We'll start our first lesson with the basic letters of Arabic language and how to pronounce them. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Tha. Make sure when you are pronouncing Tha, you don't whistle. Tha, Jim, Jim, Ha. The Ha should come from the middle of your throat. Ha. Kha. Kha has a heavy sound, so you should pronounce it as Kha. Dal. 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 Ra. Za. Make sure when you are pronouncing Za, you whistle because Za is one of the whistling letters. Za. Sin. Sin. Sheen. Sheen. Sod. Sod is also a heavy letter. Sod. Dod. Dod. Ta. Ta. Dha. Dha. Ain. Ain. Ghain. Ghain. Fa. Fa. Qaf. Qaf. Kaf. Kaf. Lam. Lam. Mim. Mim. Noon. Noon. Wow. Wow. Ha. Ha. Hamza. Hamza. Ya. Ya. Thank you very much for listening very carefully. I hope you have learned how to pronounce the Arabic letters. Our next lesson will be about the diacritics. Fi amanillah.